Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening, Miss.
Nice to meet you in this classroom. Uh, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, thank you. Are you fasting now, Mr. Imam? Mr. Imam,
Yes.
are you fasting now? Oh,
Yes.
Mr. Wahyu is fasting. Miss Indah? Oh, okay. How about you, Mr. Andi? Okay, good. Waiting time to break fast. What are you doing, Miss Indah? Reading? Oh, what are you reading? Oh, okay. What about you, Mr.
Sleeping.
Imam? What?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. And you, Mr. Wahyu? All right. Yes. What about you, Mr. Andi? Playing what? Bird. Oh.
Good expert.
Are you not prepared to takjil or bertakjil? Sometime. Maybe your wife, yeah. What a takjil do you like, Mr. Imam?
Cool.
What?
Cool, cafe cool.
Okay, it's nice to uh, good afternoon. Please welcome. Yes, please welcome. Yes. Before. Okay. Okay, we can continue. Okay. Before I continue to our material last week, do you still remember what our material last week, Mr. Andi? Do you remember? Oh, okay. Miss Indah, what about you? Oh, what about you, Mr. Imam?
Yes, about the plan the week before.
Oh, okay. And Mr. Zay, do you still remember or forget to?
Sorry, ma'am. Last meeting.
You come?
Late.
Oh.
So I not copy.
Okay, okay. Okay. All right. Maybe before I continue our material, I want to remind you our material last week. Okay? Yes. The last week we learned about port services. Port services. The port services we have three types. One is ship services. Two, good services. And three is passenger services. Do you remember that? Port services. Everyone? Yeah? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now in this meeting, We learn about ship services, just ship services. Maybe the good services and passenger services we can learn to next meeting. Okay? Wait, I will show about yes. Can you see it? Okay, Mr. Andy? Okay. Uh, type of vessel services, we have 4 types. One is ship anchoring services. In the bahasa we can call jasa labuh. Number 2, ship piloting services. And the bahasa we can say jasa pandu. And 3, ship towing services. And the bahasa we can say jasa pemanduan. And the last, ship mooring services. We can say jasa mooring. Yes. Now, especially we learn about ship anchoring services, especially about ship anchoring cost. Okay, anchoring cost. What is the anchoring cost? Anybody know?
Tax for
Yes.
tax for must
Yes.
pay.
Yes. Yes. The anchoring cost is amount to pay will be used facility of anchor. Okay. Yes, we can see the ship anchoring cost are costs charged to all a ship when they visiting a public port. Yes, all 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 ship when they visiting a public port. Understand? Now, what characteristic of ship? Nah, when the ship with following criteria visiting to public port, you must to pay. The following criteria is number 1 for the ships with the purpose of carrying out economic or commercial activities. That all ship and when they are carrying out economic commercial activities, we must to pay anchoring cost. For example, there are cargo ship, ferries, kapal feri, and other passenger ship, kapal penumpang. And criteria number 2, we have for the ship that do not purpose to carry out economic, not aiming to make a profit. Kapal yang tidak memikirkan keuntungan, ya. For example, patrol boat, kapal patroli, warship, kapal perang, search and rescue ship. Now, how To calculate ship anchoring cost, we have the formula. This is anchoring cost are calculated based on gross tonnage per visit. Yeah. Sorry. GT. And per visit. For one visit, the duration is 15 calendar days. Visit. And especially as tariff for visit. Yes. This is a formula to calculate the anchoring cost. How about the tariff? The tariff is just variated, not same, yeah, variated. The tariff according to the class of the port visit. Okay, the tariff is variated according to the class of the port visited. But the amount of porting services tariff currently used based on regulation of government, peraturan pemerintah number 15 at 2016. Peraturan pemerintah nomor 15 tahun 2016. Jadi tarifnya semua diatur dalam peraturan pemerintah nomor 15 tahun 2016. Now I can show you example for the tariff. Yes, this is rate or tariff tabel for the port is not commercial yet. Ya. Tarif untuk pelabuhan yang belum komersial. You can see anchoring services. Ship carrying out activities in public port. Number 1, ships carrying out economic activities. From foreign shipping vessel, we have 3 class, UPP class 1, class 2, and class 3. And this is a tariff. B, domestic shipping vessel. We have 3 class 2, UPP class 1, class 2, and class 3. This is the tariff. The tariff per GT per visit. And C, people's shipping vessel. UPP class 1, class 2, and class 3. Yes, Mr. Zai.
I want to know calculate per GT per visit.
Yes.
It's mean limited time for visit or not limited time?
Oh, okay. Thank you for your question. Visit in this, they don't have limited. Don't have limited.
No limit.
Yes, but one visit, the duration is 5 days.
15 days. Oh,
Yeah, 15 days. Yes. Maybe I give you for example, if I visit 60 days. That's mean how many visit?
our
1 5.
get 2 times chance.
Yes, yes. It's 2 visit. One visit for 15 days and second visit for 2 days. Okay? Yes. Maybe I continue this table in this table. Maybe you can see, read this table. Okay. For this table, any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss Indah.
I have one question.
Yes.
Are the rates different between commercial port and port not yet commercial?
Oh, of course. Thank you, Miss Indah. Of course, the rate for the commercial port and for the port not commercial yet is different. Yes, but all of regulated to at government regulated number 515 at 2016. Maybe I can show you example table. Yes, yes. This is a table for port not yet commercial. Ini adalah tabel tarif untuk pelabuhan yang belum komersial. Di sini we have UPP class 1, we have tarif 713 ya. And for the tabel for commercial port is we have this is KSUP utama, we have tarif 1,518. Yes, this different. Yes, maybe the for commercial port is more expensive. Yes. Are you clear, Miss Indah?
Clear, thank you.
Okay. Any question again? Yes, Mr. Imam?
My name is Imam.
Yes?
There is question.
Yes?
How many types of commercial port and the port not yet commercial?
Oh, okay. How many types? We have commercial port and not commercial yet. This is, we can see The type pot of the commercial pot, we have 6 type, yes. KSOP utama, KSOP kelas 1, first class, second class, third class, fourth class, and fifth class. For the type of pot not yet commercial, we have 3 class: UPP, first class, second class, and third class. Maybe I can show you example pot. Wait a minute. Aja. Yes, this is example pot. And the Nangro Aceh Darussalam for UPP KSOP fourth class we have and Kuala Langsa. Yes. Lok Sumawetu, Malahayat itu, Melabah, and Sabang. For UPP class 3, we have Calang, Sinabang, Singkil, Susoh, and Tapak Tuan. Maybe I can show example from the Japanese. Yes, Japanese. In West Java, we have Kantor Kesah Bandaran dan Otoritas Pelabuhan kelas 2 at Cirebon, Patimban, UPP third class, we have Indramayu, Pangandaran, Pelabuhan Ratu. And the east of Indonesia.
West Java.
Yes?
Miss, West Java, Miss. Center Java.
Center Java. Yes. Center Java. Center Java, we have Tanjung Mas. Yes. Tanjung Mas KSOP first class. Do you know Tanjung Mas?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
UPP class 2, we have Jepara. Okay. Now, to make you very clear, I want to give you an example question. You can read it. A boat with GT 5000 carrying cargo of coal from Samarinda Port will dock at Rembang Port for 5 days. How many visit? One. Yes. Rembang Port as domestic maybe you can I can say the criteria to make you easy to answer the question. Okay? This is your homework. I think the material today is all. You can read more detail and the e-learning. Okay. Yes. Thank you for your attention and see you next week. Thank you.